During this course, I will be using lots of keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are extremely important because they can really speed up your workflow. When presenting, I will mostly call out the Mac shortcuts because I'm working on a Mac machine. However, these are extremely easy to translate. So you will see the keys I'm using in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. So Command on the Mac is the same as Control on the Windows machine. Option is the same as Alt. Control is the same as the Windows key. Shift is the same. And all other keys like letters and numbers are exactly the same. I'm also attaching a PDF document with all the most important shortcuts listed for both Mac and Windows.